Hi friends, my name is Jackie, and today marks the 90-day journey to my 70th happy. Oh my goodness. So hard to believe that I've been on this beautiful planet for nearly 7 decades. Uh, I have a magical birthday. 5, 5, 5, 5. May 5, 1955. So that means those $55 billion are on their way to me. I made a few notes about what I would like to share. Uh, I I want to let you know that I feel so blessed for this life. I feel so blessed for this life. I was born and raised in India all those many decades ago. I lived in Dubai for many years, Dubai in the Middle East, the United Arab Emirates, and in fact, 3 of my 4 kids were born in Dubai. They are now beautiful, amazing adults, my 4 kids, and I have 8 grandies. And moving forward, my intention is to live in love and peace and joy and be present every moment of every day. I do realize that's going to be a tall order, being present in every moment of every day. And I will share with you how that goes. Uh, One of my other intentions, and this is a big one, is to only do the things I enjoy and the things that bring me joy. I love dancing. I do a lot of square dancing and waltz. I also do something called choreo dance, which is basically a 14-week training in dance, and then we have a performance after that. I've been doing that for the past 2 years. It's so much fun. Uh, uh, I love gardening. It's snowing out there. But in a few weeks, I will start gardening again. I live in Vancouver, by the way, Vancouver, Canada, so it's snowing now. And spring is around the corner, and I intend gardening. I have 3 gardens, one on my deck, one at the bottom of the apartment building that I live in, and I also have a community garden. So I've been growing potatoes and tomatoes and zucchini and herbs. It's so much fun. So again, the intention is to only do the things I love: dancing, gardening, preparing yummy meals for myself, for my family, for my friends, enjoying a beautiful, amazing glass of wine or two, having amazing conversations, working with clients. I've been doing hypnosis for nearly 20 years. So working with clients brings me so much joy to see them making change like that. So I guess that's all for now. That's a start of my video journaling. And my intention is to share with you my journey. And again, I will journal every day. Today's day 1, obviously. And share with you the things that bring me joy, so that you may feel inspired by hearing the things I do and I trust it will bring you joy and love and peace in your life as well. Again, if you have received any value from this conversation, do share. I love to hear from you, and I will see you again tomorrow. Have an enjoyable, beautiful, beautiful, wonderful day. Love.